How to set up a countdown timer for your Shopify cart page. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I will show you step by step how we can achieve this using a third-party application within Shopify apps. So let's just go ahead and get started. The first thing you will need to do is obviously open up your admin for Shopify and go to your Shopify apps basically. So just go ahead and click on Add Apps, go to Shopify App Store. And then from here, we will need to look up Essential Countdown. So just go ahead and look in the search box, Essential Countdown, as you can see in the screen. So just go ahead and search for that. And then you will find Essential Countdown Timer Bar. It should be this one right here. So just go ahead and click on that. And we will basically install it. Now, it is actually free to install. And you can see it is going to work for free for up to 1,000 monthly views. If you want more, then you will need to upgrade, and you can learn more about it down here. But we are just going to click on install real quick. And we are just going to confirm the installation. And then we should be good to go once this actually loads in. Okay, so again, just click on install once more, and we should be able to start setting up our timer. So once you are in this page, you will need to click on create a new timer. And then from here, you will need to just go ahead and scroll down. And you have a lot of other timers here that you can actually set up, like for landing pages, product page, announcement bar, and so on. But we are going to be focusing on the cart page. So we can just go ahead and click on select this timer type. Now, once you select that, you will need to give it a name. So let's just go ahead and name it test. Oops, sorry about that. So let's just go ahead and name it test timer, like I have already done that. And then here for the title, this is actually going to show up for people. And for the countdown name, it's actually not going to show for anyone else except for yourself. But for the title, it's actually going to be visible for others. So make sure that you actually make sure you set this up accordingly, because it is going to be visible for other people. Now, translations, you can also add some, but if you upgrade it, which is also necessary for the cart page apparently. Actually, if you want to do the timer for the cart page, you will need the essential plan for it. And if you do have that, then you also will unlock the translations. But then you will also set up the timer. So whether it's going to be 15 minutes, or you can just go ahead and change that up or down. It's completely up to you. And then you will have the option which says once it ends, you will have the repeat the countdown, or hide the timer for the buyer, or delete all the items from the cart. So it's completely up to you whichever one that you actually want in here. So let's just select the second one here for this example. And then we are just going to continue to design. In the design section, you will be able to design it however you like. So we can actually go ahead and change the background color, for example. Let's just go back to white. And you can also do a gradient background, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. And there's a lot more that you can actually play around with when it comes to design. I'm not really going to be focusing on that a lot here. And then we have the placement here, so you can actually go ahead and set it up to be at the top of the cart or custom position, and pretty much just more design stuff. It's just, how it actually looks like. And then finally, once all of this is done, you will need to just click on publish on the top right. And then you will need to enable the app. Obviously, you will require the actual subscription here in order to actually get it to the plan. But after you're done here, after you click on publish, it's not going to show just yet. You will need to go to online store, and then you will need to click on customize and enable the app from within the embeds here. So let's just go ahead to app embeds and make sure that countdown timer is turned on. Now, if you have the plan and everything is like we showed you, if you go to the cart page, it's just going to show up the timer for you. Now, obviously, I can't really show you because I don't really have the essential plan for it. So yeah, this is pretty much how to do so. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.